Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota, and today we have two 2024 Land Cruiser J250s, and we're going to show you a cool little option. This is a Land Cruiser Edition with a premium package. It has the OEM running board, and one cool thing that we noticed on it, comparing it against our first edition, which is over here to the right, is when you open the door, you'll notice that there is a little puddle light that turns on gradually. So it goes from, and it has a constant 12 volt feed on the red wire, so when you shut the door, it will go ahead and kind of slowly dim back down and then shut itself off. And that does work with both doors. So the front door does the same thing. And again, after 30 seconds, it'll slowly dim back down. So the question is does the first edition have that same feature? And the answer is yes. So let's get underneath the car and take a look at that wiring harness.
Okay, so what we're looking at here underneath the car is we have this little wiring harness, and this is basically 45 inches off the front mud flap or directly underneath of the driver's side door handle. So this is a first edition. This is also on a regular Land Cruiser, at least with the premium package. I haven't confirmed it on a Land Cruiser without the premium package, but it's missing on the 1958. And what this wiring harness is going to allow you to do is it's got two wires in this harness. One of them is going to be your red wire, 12 volt constant, and there's a blue wire, which is going to be your trigger. So if you want to install a rock light that will work as a convenience light, you already have your trigger ready for it. So it's basically pre-wired for it. So you can add, 3 or 4 rock lights per side without having to really wire anything other than your power. So this is a really cool feature, and it is on the first edition Land Cruiser, the Land Cruiser, at least with the premium package, and it is not on the 1958.
Thank you so much for watching the channel. Please don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Land Cruiser content.